Hello, shoppers. I'm Joriana, and this is WoW Stylez, where we give you tips and style ideas to enhance your shopping experience. I've got my friend Micah here with me today, and we're going to be showing you some items he put together from our top brands to show you how to style your summer shoes with your fall wardrobe. So tell me, Micah, what have we got here today?
Well, Joy, I brought some pieces with me here today to show you just how versatile a good pair of shoes can be.
Oh, wow. Well, let's see.
Well, we've got Katie here, and she loves wearing her Ariat boots paired with a denim mini dress from Free People. And I just love the combo that the look that this gives.
Yeah.
But if you just add an oversized flannel shirt and then put a pumpkin spice latte in her hand, she's ready for that fall ride, that fall hayride.
Wow, that looks fantastic. Or should I say, fall-tastic.
And speaking of coffee drinks, we've got Stephanie here in her Sam Edelman Pitos in cappuccino that she doesn't want to quit just yet. But let's give her a knit midi-length dress and a crop sweater, and she's ready for Fashionville, USA. And who doesn't want to be fashionable in Fashionville, USA, Jory?
Who doesn't?
And last but not least, we have Brianna here in her Steve Madden trim Western boots.
Well, giddy on up.
Those pastel colors look so good and cute with that summery puff sleeve dress, but all you have to do is add a denim jacket and she's ready to be voted best dressed for that homecoming fall football game.
Well, wow, Micah, those were some really great looks for fall.
It really is.
And don't forget, you can find all of those styles on Zappos.com.
But wait, there's one last thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.